Cajun DIY Diva in the kitchen with the beautiful Emily.
Not so
It's Mother's Day and Emily is cooking. This is like a Haitian Cajun fusion shrimp. And she calls it yellow shrimp. But I want to show you what she put in it. And it's just about done and it looks delicious.
First is this butter that Mom had.
So I made this butter. This butter has garlic, parsley, and red onion all diced really fine. And so we put a big, you know, like probably 2 tablespoons, melted that in there, and a little swirl of olive oil because we didn't want the butter to burn. And we added the shrimp and we seasoned it with some garlic powder.
Not curry powder.
We had some Cajun seasoning, chili powder, some dried parsley.
Only a tiny bit of chili powder.
Yeah, just a little bit. Some adobo seasoning. And this is Sazon Tropical. It has, I think, annatto in it that makes it have that color, that yellow color. And we're making some new potatoes and just some mixed vegetables to go with it. But it looks really yummy, and that's the beautiful Emily cooking for Mother's Day. So this is a short video.
This is also a treat because I never cook.
She doesn't cook, but she really cooks shrimp really well. So this is Cajun DIY Diva. Happy Mother's Day.